on continuation with methods of sterilization, we used to classify the sterilization methods as physical, chemical or physiochemical sterilization. So coming to the physical sterilization, it can be divided into 5 major types. One is sunlight and another one is heat, vibration, radiation and most importantly filtration. So coming to the heat, which is classified into two types, dry heat and moist heat. So dry heat, which is mainly the red heat sterilization, flaming, incineration, hot air oven and infrared. And moist heat is accompanied with mainly the temperature basis, that is below 100 degrees Celsius, at 100 degrees Celsius and above 100 degrees Celsius. So below 100 degrees Celsius there is some process which is used to categorized under the 100 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile at and above also the same. And coming to the radiation, which is of two types. So one is ionizing radiation and another one is non-ionizing radiation. So some of the electromagnetic rays are also used in this type of sterilization. And coming to the filtration, many filters have been used for sterilizing any liquid materials. So examples: earthenware filters, asbestos filters, sintered glass filters and membrane filters and depth filters. And coming to the chemical, there are two types, liquid chemicals and gaseous chemical. So coming to the liquid chemical, we most probably used this type of alcohols, aldehydes, phenols, halogens, heavy metals, surface active agents and some of the dyes which can be used as disinfectants as chemical method. And coming to the gaseous sterilization, the following gas has been used like formaldehyde, ethylene oxide and plasma, that is hydrogen peroxide or plasma vapor sterilization. So as I said before, sunlight, it is the form of physical sterilization. Sunlight, it is the regarded as the natural sterilization because due to the presence of UV rays, ultraviolet rays in sunlight. So on behalf of the ultraviolet rays, the microbicidal activity of sunlight gets eliminated in sunlight rays. And it is responsible for spontaneous sterilization in under natural conditions also, and it is more effective in killing germs due to the combination of both UV rays and heat. They together plays a role in killing the microbials in the form of natural. So by killing bacteria suspended in water, sunlight provides the natural method for the disinfections of tanks and lakes. So tanks, lakes, rivers, seas, all are get disinfectant in the presence of sunlight because it is a natural. And coming to the heat, so it is considered to be the most reliable method of sterilization that can withstand any type of heat. So this heat acts by the oxidative effects as well as the denaturation coagulation of proteins. So these articles that cannot withstand high temperature, that can be sterilized at low temperature by prolonging the duration of exposure, because if suppose any heat sensitive materials are there, they cannot withstand that type of heat. They can be sterilized at the lowest temperature by increasing the duration. So if suppose 100 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, we keep for example 50 degrees Celsius for at least 10 to 15 minutes, so that they can be achieved the sterilization. So coming to the dry heat sterilization, so first one is red heat. So in this red heat, the materials which we use to sterilize has been holding them in the Bunsen burner flame till they become red hot. So the color has been changed. So that specific material color has to be changed to red hot. For example, bacteriological loops, that is inoculation loops, straight wires, and the tips of the forceps and spatulas are also sterilized till they become red hot. And it is the simple method for effective sterilization, but it is limited to those articles that can be leaded to redness in flame. Okay. So flaming we'll see in the next